In this video, we are going to see how we can turn off if your Android phone is tracking you and listening to your conversations. So do you know that this is turned on by default, that you can turn off easily by changing some settings in the Google services? So what we need to do is just head over to the settings, and if we scroll down here, you will find Google right at the bottom. Just click on that. And here you can see that it is by default set to recommended, but let's turn to all services at our right. And now we will scroll down a little bit, and we basically want to find this section that is privacy and security. And here basically we will go to personalize using shared data. And from here it says personalize using shared data. So basically it says what it does. You can read it down here. Let Google Apps use on-device data shared by these apps and other sources to improve your Android experience with things like better recommendations and suggestions. So basically, even if you turn this off, it will not make much difference. So let's turn that off. You don't basically need it in order to use the apps. Let's go back. And after that, you can see in the privacy and security, we have the usage and diagnostics center as well. Within that services where we access the shared data, click on usage and diagnostics, and you can see and read through it. Help improve your Android device experience by automatically sending the experience or usage details to Google and other applications as well. So basically we don't need it, so we will turn this off. After that, let's go back and we have the privacy and security. Under that we have ads. Click on that, and now we wanna reset the ads data. So basically we all have experience that we are talking about some application, some device or some TV or some laptop that we want to buy, and suddenly we start getting those ads. So basically it's getting all of that data that we have turned off before, and they show you the relevant ads by listening through your device. So although we have turned off all of these options, but still we need to reset our advertisement ID so that we can um, reset or delete all the data that they have already collected. So click on reset advertising ID from here. It says this replaces the device advertising ID with a new random number. Apps can still show you ads, but they may not be relevant or interesting for you. So click on confirm, and it is now reset. And also what we will do is just click on delete advertising ID because we actually don't need it. It's just to show you ads. So click on delete. And after that, we will just go back. And from the main menu, now we want to choose something like security and privacy or password and security. And here if we basically head over to advanced options. So these are basically some of the settings that you will need to disable in order for your phone tracking to be disabled on your device. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.